We're back here. Let's go ahead and look at this example on the blueprint here. And they're asking you to compare drawing to real life. So drawing to real life. And here we have 0.4 inches in the drawing is equal to 1.6 inches in real life. And that reduces to a 1:4 scale. What is the scale of the blueprint? 1:4. Comparing drawing to real life. Moving on to the next problem here. Let's go ahead and see what the example is. Oh, we've got that. Oh, on the scale of a map is 1 inch is equal to 14,400 feet. Find the actual length of a street if the distance on the map is 3 inches. So we have map to real life. We have 1 inch to 14,040 feet. And we're going to go ahead and look for if we have 3 inches on the map and what is it in real life. So we can cross multiply this and we'll get x is equal to 3 times 1440. And that's going to be a big number. It's 3,000, 4,200, and 320. 4,320 feet would be the distance in real life. So let's go ahead and read this. You buy a 3D scale model of the Sears Tower in Chicago. The actual height of the building includes the television antenna. So let's say we got some big tower and we got a big antenna in the middle there. And the actual, including the television antenna, so our actual height here is 1,703 feet. So your model is 29.4 inches tall. So the model, so this is the model, and this is real, is 29.4 inches tall, including the 4.4 inch antenna. So we have an antenna here that is 4.4 inches tall. What is the height of the actual antenna? So we could develop a scale here, model to real life, and we have 29.4 inches to 1,703 feet, and they want to know how tall the antenna is in actual life, so that's the model, so we'll go 4.4 inches over x here, and now we can cross multiply and solve. We get 29.4x is equal to 4.4 times 1,703. Divide both sides by 29.4, so we can solve for x, and we get that. Oh, this is a good spot to pause. Actually, I got my calculator, but instead of punching it on my calculator, I'm going to let you do this and put that in for question 1 and answer that question. Let's go on to part B here, and this is going to be some number of feet tall. But how many times as tall as your model is the actual building, including the antenna? So, well, we just have to take 1,703 feet and divide by that by the actual, oh, they're in different units though, aren't they? One's in inches and one's in feet. So we'll have to take this and multiply this by 12 inches over 1 foot. So now my feet will cancel out, leaving it, and we're going to get some big number there. I'll pause that and answer that question. Punch those numbers on the calculator, and I get approximately 695 times taller. Remember question number 1 over here? You're answering that question in the video. You have a wonderful evening. Adios.